My name is Chef Dipna and I am owner of the brilliant restaurant in Southall. The stick blender that we currently use is a crucial member of our kitchen equipment team. It is essential. We use it every single day. The main use of it is to blend our masala sauce. So yeah, really key. Masala sauce is made using a base of onion and tomato. Of course, we add our ginger garlic, our green chili, and then our spices. We do use chopped tomatoes, which means that it's essential to blend our masala for a nice smooth texture. And for that, we need a good blender. Our restaurant here in Southall has been open for 45 years, which means we've got through quite a few blenders in our years. There are issues with blenders where we have to keep sending them off for repair or simply just discarding and buying a new one. So the cost can be, well, it all adds up over the years, but with Kisag, there's a guarantee and they are long lasting, so the perfect product. With Kisag, it's great because you get a 2-year guarantee with the blender. We've been here 45 years and have gone through quite a few blenders where we're sending them for repair or simply disregarding and just getting new ones. When I first used the Kisag product, I didn't know, obviously when I got it in my hand, I had to play around with it, but the small stick one is perfect to use in one hand, and then obviously the larger one, you've got to use the 2 hands, but very comfortable to use. One thing that I absolutely loved about the Kisag was when you were blending, there's no heat on your hands. So heat resistant blenders are so important. The motor on the Kisag is fire. It's a chef's dream. Absolutely love it. As a chef, one thing that is essential is to have a long cable, especially in my kitchen. All our blending is done towards the stove side of the kitchen, so we have the long cable, which is excellent, so Kisag travels with me in the kitchen. It's very important to have variable speeds on blenders depending on what dish you're actually cooking and the quantity of which you're cooking. The Kisag blender is excellent because it gives me the option of which speed I want to use. The Kisag Power Stick Blender 50 is fab. I can leave it running for 5 minutes, go and do other stuff, and then get back to my blender. Perfect. As a chef, I use lots of blenders as I visit lots of different kitchens. The Kisag blender is by far my most favorite. So easy to use, so comfortable, amazing. I love making my masala even more now. Today we're making a mango lassi with the Kisag Power Stick Blender 20. Lassi is an Indian version of a smoothie. It's the best way I can explain it. So it's a yogurt drink. It can be savoury or sweet. This is by far my favourite mango lassi. One of the favourites of the customers is a lassi. It goes so well with all your Indian dishes, whether it's tandoori favourites or whether it's a full-on curry with your rice and your naan bread. A lassi pairs perfectly. You can imagine in a busy night, 50 to 60 glasses of lassi, so 8 minutes continuous time with the Kisag is perfect. The Kisag Blender series is available from Mitchell & Cooper and I follow them on Instagram.